Okay, so a great challenge today, and a lot of students might be saying, okay, this is the easiest challenge I've ever seen. Addition, division, subtraction right here, and I can easily solve it in 5 seconds. So right now, I suggest you to pause the video, try to solve it by yourself right now, because a lot of students make this common mistake. This is a very tricky challenge. We have 3 options, A, B, and C, and write your option down into the comment section, and we will check our answers here in just 30 seconds, so it will be really interesting. First of all, I want to start with this first interpretation. So this first interpretation looks like that. We have 20 plus 10 divided by 2 and minus 1. So here's our challenge. And a lot of students say, okay, from left to right here we have 20 plus 10, which is equal to 30. 30 we have division by 2 minus 1, yeah? And then once more, 30 divided by 2 equal to 15, and 15 minus 1 equal to, from here we have 14. And a lot of students solve this question like that. They say that correct answer to this challenge is 14. A lot of students solve this question like that. And I want to say that in math we can't solve our challenges randomly. We should know what is the correct order to do this problem, because obviously whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer, right? So we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem. And it's not works like that only in math. We should know whatever we want. We should know what is the correct property, correct rule, correct order of operation. It works not only in math, in chemistry, in biology. You should know what is the correct order to do this problem, correct thing, correct property, because right here we just solve this challenge wherever we want. But in this second interpretation, let's look for example at this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific graphing calculator works according to this PEMDAS order of operation. So this PEMDAS works on the top to the bottom. So first you should evaluate the expression inside parentheses, then you should evaluate exponent, next you should evaluate multiplication division group, and the last step addition and subtraction group. Okay, so let's rewrite our challenge. So 20 plus 10 divided by 2 and minus 1. So right now let's scan what elements do we have in our challenge. We have addition, division, and subtraction. So okay, we have division right here, we have addition right here, and we have subtraction right here. Moreover, we don't have multiplication, we don't have exponent, we don't have parentheses. Okay, so here's our elements. And as I told before, higher position, higher priority. So it implies that division has the highest priority. With these 3 steps, we have the high priority, so the division has the highest priority because this is our first step. We don't have parentheses, exponent, multiplication. Division is our first step. Where do we have this division? We have division right here. Okay, so we have 20 plus 10 divided by 2 equal to 5 and minus 1. So right now, as you can see, we have only addition, subtraction, which is our second step after this division. So addition, subtraction has the same priority. So you don't need a order of operation right now, because basic addition, basic subtraction. So we can easily do this. 25 minus 1 equal to 24. Okay, and we don't have this option 24, and then a lot of students say, okay, we don't have this option 24, let's go back to this answer 14, and they say correct answer is 14 because we don't have this answer 24. But then I ask them, okay, what about order of operation right here? How can you solve this question like that? Okay, and they answer, okay, I don't know order of operation, mister, I solve this question wherever I want, and I answer, okay, this is a very bad thing in terms of math. You should know what is the correct order to do this problem, and correct order is second interpretation, and this is very bad order of operation, because addition, division, and subtraction, exactly this order as I told before, this is very bad order in terms of math. You should put brackets. If you have brackets right here, you can easily solve this question like that. So 20 plus 10 equal to 30, and 30 divided by 2 equal to 15, and subtraction as our final step. So with parentheses, this is a correct solution because you solve it according to the correct order of operation, parentheses as our first step. So then addition has the highest priority, then higher than division, because addition is inside parentheses. But in our case, we don't have parentheses, so forget about this option A, which is a really bad mistake in terms of math. What about this solution? Of course, this is a correct solution in terms of math, because we solve it according to correct order of operation. Division, then addition, subtraction in a strict order from left to right. So what about option? Right here we have 14, we have 30, but what about this 4 factorial? A lot of students forget about this. But this is really tricky moment right here, because factorial, this is a product from 1 to 4, we have 24. So for factorial, this is the same as 24, which is our answer, which is our correct answer to this challenge, because we solved it according to a correct order of operation. So let's write our answer. So our answer, this is option C is a correct answer to this challenge. So definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, and if this video is helpful in any way, and if you solve this question correctly, so if your correct answer is option C, don't forget to leave a like and write any comment, and that definitely helped me out now for this particular video. So thank you for your time, have a great day, see you in the next videos.